Welcome to session 3 of this week. Let's go over the assignments. You're going to read each excerpt and take your notes, bullets, quotes, whatever form helps you to think, and then you're going to write a paragraph for each author, Socrates and Freire, under the notes with your ideas about some of the key concepts of how their thinking is applied in educational settings today. This last assignment during session 3 is the beginning of the TED Talk launches. In this assignment, which spans from sessions 3 to 7 of this class, you will be posting your oral launch of a video, like a TED Talk, about an issue about which you feel passionate with current educational issues or challenges that we face. Each of the weeks during which you don't post your own video, you'll be participating in ongoing discussions with 2 or more of your classmates' TED Talk launches of their videos. For example, if you signed up to post your TED Talk video this week during session 3, you'll be responding to the thread in your own discussion as people post their ideas and questions throughout the week to what you've launched in your video. In other weeks, you'll just be the person who is responding to other people's video launches. You'll get that interaction with at least 2 of your other classmates during the remaining sessions, like sessions 4 through 7. Details about the expectations for this assignment are explained in the rubric that is part of the assignment launch when you click it open, this session, and it's also explained on the syllabus at the top box where the resources are on this Canvas site before session 1. Remember, everything that's posted within this assignment for the whole sessions 3 through 7 will begin and be posted in session 3 of this course. So for the 4 weeks after this session, everyone who is signing up for TED Talks and responding to them will still continue checking back on this box in the Canvas form during session 3 to post your videos and your comments within this TED Talk assignment. Good luck. I can't wait to start seeing the videos that you're posting and be part of the class discussion. Have a great week.